healthcreation.com, and today's episode is all about health corner. We are going to make something tasty, healthy, but in a very less ingredients and very less time. We are going to make some grilled salmon cutlet, and that is not deep fried and it is very tasty with secret ingredients along with some couscous salad. So what is couscous? Couscous is an Arabic dish and it's some gram wheat. We'll soak the couscous in hot water and we'll make some salad. Friends, today's episode is all about from Health Corner. So we are going to make something healthy but really not bland, really very tasty with very few ingredients and something new like couscous salad along with some grilled salmon cutlet. For salmon cutlet, we need some salmon fillet here. I need some vinegar, ginger garlic paste, lime juice, white oil, some breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, cayenne pepper. We'll prick with some fork so that all the ingredients should go inside and it should not taste bland. Some vinegar top on that, ginger garlic paste, lime juice, salt, pepper. All the ingredients you should rub it well. Here is our marinated salmon is ready. Now we will roll over in the breadcrumbs mixture and we will bake in the oven. Some breadcrumbs we'll mix with some salt, pepper, red chili powder. Now we'll take one fillet and roll over breadcrumbs from all the sides. So today's episode is all about health corner. So we'll grill or bake or pan fry. We will not do the deep fry stuff, but yet it has to be very tasty one. The salmons are looking so beautiful and delicious. So you are putting skin side down. Now we'll apply some oil. Make sure you are applying properly from all the sides. It should not be dry at all. Make sure you are applying oil even in the skin side. We are going to put inside the 450 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Still it's get golden brown color. Time our salmon is getting baked inside the oven, we'll make some couscous salad. Couscous is just like semolina. It's called drum wheat semolina. This is an Arabic dish and you can make salad out of it, or you can mix with some vegetable, grilled chicken or like shrimp. You can add your choice of those meat and fish and make your own salad. We have some 1.5 cup of couscous, few chopped jalapeno, chopped bell pepper, cranberry, dried cranberry. You can replace it with raisin or blackcurrant. Chopped garlic, chopped onion, sliced toasted almond. You can replace it with pine nuts or sunflower seeds. We need olive oil, of course. You cannot replace it with any other oil. And we need oregano, dried. If you have fresh, please go for it. Some Italian herbs, some cayenne pepper, some chili flakes, some ground pepper and salt. Now is the time to soak our couscous inside the hot water. So it's need not have to be very boiling hot, but you can make it hot, not the warm water. So I need 1 cup water for 1.5 cup couscous. So I'll season it with some garlic, olive oil and salt, and I'll make it hot inside the micro oven. Few chopped garlics, and salt. Just 1.5 minutes in full power in micro oven. Lime juice and fresh cilantro or coriander leaves. It's very beautiful to use your fresh herbs that gives really refreshing flavor. Here is our hot water along with olive oil, salt and garlic. We'll mix the couscous and soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now time to make the dressing. So we will use 2 tablespoons olive oil, a little more than that, lime juice, salt, pepper, and few chopped garlic. So our dressing is ready and couscous is already soaked. Now we'll mix with the vegetable and nuts and resin. So our couscous is ready. After soaking, it should be like each and every grain should be separated if you are turning with forks. And our olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper, lime juice dressing is ready. So we'll mix the dressing, we'll mix along with the vegetables. Now time to add all the dry ingredients. Some freshly ground pepper, salt, chili flakes, red chili powder, oregano, some Italian herbs, dried cranberry, toasted sliced almond. Now let's mix properly. Now after adding all the dry ingredients and dry fruits, almond, time to add vegetables. So some chopped bell pepper, some white chopped onion, some chopped jalapeno, chopped cilantro, mix well. You are all set to go. Look at this variation of color: red, green, white. It's really yummy as well as very healthy dish. So try it out and let me know if you are trying. See the texture, all the grains are separated. It's not very clumsy with each other. So this consistency of water is very important, and the dressing we have used with the olive oil has a lot of health benefits. We are using almonds, cranberry and lot of colorful vegetables that will bring out all the health benefit out of it. And we are going to serve it along with some protein, and that is high protein content salmon cutlet, and that is going to be very tasty. It can be your lunch, it can be your dinner, and it can be a complete meal too. Like if you want to substitute in your hectic weekdays and don't want to make something very long process stuff, and this is going to be your right choice. Our salmon is out of the oven after 25 minutes baking into 450 Fahrenheit preheated oven. So look at this brown crust, and it is going to be really tasty and crunchy. We like our health corner specific episode, and we make just now couscous salad along with some grilled salmon cutlet. Look at this colorful grilled all vegetables, nuts and cranberries, olive oil. Goodness is everywhere. So try it out. Don't forget to let me know if you like it. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/sinkintomycreations. And don't forget to subscribe my blog too. It's free, www.sinkintomycreations.com, and I'll keep updating 1 or 2 recipes in my blog every week. This weekend Friday I updated one Mediterranean chicken kofta along with some yogurt dip, and today is Sunday and I'm going to publish my video recipe of all about this grilled salmon cutlet along with some couscous salad. So hope you will enjoy our episode and see you all next time.